Well, here it is, somewhere around January 25th. I think it's Sunday. Maybe the 26th, I don't know. Big snowstorm. Been snowing for 2 days. You can see the buildings. These are communist buildings, by the way. There's the European Union sign. But like I said, 2 days of snow, and look at these snow drifts. This one over here in the corner, it's at least 4 feet. And the wind, it just sweeps it right off, and you can see the bare spots. It's a dry, powdery snow. It's actually around minus 25, minus 30. I had to come out and take the garbage out to the dumpsters, and thought I'd make a quick film. So yeah, snowstorm. Thanks for watching.